What he's gonna do is he'll go into that room, smell the pee on the carpet, pee there.
Creating a little tradition.
Yeah. All right, so it is Wednesday, which means it is Utah Humane Society Day. Every Wednesday and Friday, we present the Pet of the Week here at Dog 13 Studios. So today we've got Riley, a 2-year-old Chihuahua, 17 pounds. Riley comes neutered, microchipped, and with vaccination shots, all for the small investment of $150. So if you're looking to adopt a cute dog, I highly recommend you come down to the Utah Humane Society. Riley is about to go on TV and make his debut on television.
It's summer wings, I don't know. All right, Yoshi. See, we're guys, we don't know this stuff.
That's true.
That's why we have to figure it out on the news.
Exactly.
So you're from the Humane Society of Utah, and you've brought a fox best friend with you.
I did. This is Riley. He's a 2-year-old Chihuahua mix, 17 pounds. You know, Riley is a transfer from Davis County. So from Davis County, he got transferred over to Utah Humane here in Salt Lake. And he's just the cutest little guy, full of energy, as you can see. He wants to run around versus sit in my arms. We were outside, and he was like, he saw that grass out on the hill and just took off.
Oh, he's a cutie. He looks like he's been taken care of. He looks well fed. I
Yes.
can figure out what the other part of him is if he's part Chihuahua.
I can't either. You know, Chihuahuas pure breeds will typically be a little under 10 pounds, with him being 17 pounds. I have to imagine he's probably close to full grown, being 2 years old, but
Yeah.
he could get a little bigger.
Okay.
He's well fed.
He is definitely well fed. He could grow sideways too.
He's a big guy. So does he need a bunch of exercise right now? Or
You know, he does. He does. He needs to lose some of this weight, as well as he's just got a lot of energy that he needs to get out of his body. And so somebody who's into exercising, taking walks, this would be the perfect dog.
That's perfect.
Yeah.
He's 2, anyway. All right. So what's his adoption fee?
So it's $150, which includes the microchip, neutered, and vaccination shot. So fantastic deal for
All right.
$150.
Yeah, I love it. Thanks, Yoshi.
Thank you.
Here's all the information you need for Humane Society of Utah. You can get in touch with them at the number on the screen. It's 801-261-2919.
Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Yoshi Strachey, the host of the real estate show, Utah Home Sweet Home, which airs every Saturday morning from 9 to 10 a.m. on K-Talk Radio 1640 a.m. I'm also the host of the show, $1 Million Home Sweet Home, where we tour $1 million homes right here in this beautiful state of Utah. I'm also a real estate agent, a real estate investor. I fix and flip houses, and I'm also a national public speaker. And on this channel, we're going to talk everything real estate as well as everything Utah, because this beautiful state has a lot to offer. And if you're looking to get to know more about real estate and real estate investing, or just purchasing your very first owner-occupied home, you've come to the right place.